Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another episode of Cook Like the Youngs. So what do I have today? Today I am doing a series of burgers. So I have the burgers here, and then I have the coleslaw, and then I have the sweet potato fries, which you will find in 3 separate videos. So this is one whole series dedicated to celebrate this May, as we are kicking our barbecue season back. Okay, let me bring you to how do I make this delicious baked sweet potatoes. Okay, so here are the ingredients to make our baked sweet potato fries. So I have about 2 pounds of sweet potatoes here. And first of all, we are going to peel off the skins here. So let's go ahead and peel off our sweet potatoes here. Okay, so after removing the skin, we are going to cut our sweet potato to individual pieces. So you can cut it like a stick fries, or you can cut it skinnier, however you like it. But I don't like it to be too skinny, so I'm gonna do a thick cut. Okay, so we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil here. So it can be vegetable oil, as long as the oil can take high temperature. So I'm using avocado oil here. Okay, with a strainer here, I'm gonna add in my cornstarch here. So we just want to coat them, each one, with a little bit of cornstarch. Okay, so you want to line a parchment paper. Go ahead and add a little bit of oil. And then we're just gonna put our sweet potatoes on here. Alright, so we want to spread them out a little bit. Okay, we're gonna season it with some paprika and some garlic powder as well. Okay, finally some black pepper. Okay, so go to the oven, 400 degrees. And we're gonna bake it for 20 minutes first, and then come back and flip it. Okay, so after 20 minutes, we are going to flip them. Okay, we're gonna cook for another 20 minutes, or until everything is crispy, so you can monitor at the same time. Okay, so let's take a look at our sweet potato fries here. Alright, so these are a little bit soft here. So I'm gonna continue to bake these. Alright, so some of them are kind of really toasted, so these I'm gonna actually toss them out. Okay, so the bottom tray is pretty much finished, so I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna transfer the top tray to the bottom here. So we're gonna take this out. So I'm gonna transfer the top tray into the bottom tray here. And we're gonna continue to bake it for another 5 minutes. Okay, final batch. Let's take a look at our fries. Okay. I think it's time for us to take it out. So this is my version of the sweet potato fries. with a pairing of my burger. So stay tuned for the next video. If you have not yet subscribed to the Food Travel Shopping channel, I encourage you to go click the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification for our latest video and update. You don't want to miss another episode of this delicious recipe.